When you're using ultrasonic humidifiers like these two, it's so important to use RO water. RO water has had all the salts extracted out of the water, so it's almost pure water. The discs do not like the calcium in water, so if you've got a heavy calcium area, use an RO machine and they will completely take the calcium out of the water so the discs do not get calcified and stop working. What we have with the Sonicare Pro, we have a pack of Sonic discs. So basically, if you do get dirty discs, you can just whip them out, put new ones in, and it's running again. On the Sonicare, we don't have replacement discs, but there's a little brush and you can clean them up, keep them really clean. We've had these running for a year using RO water. If you use calcium water, you'll reduce the lifetime of the unit. One Stop sell complete kits, so you get the Sonicare and Sonicare Pro with a barrel, with the RO machine, to basically make sure that these will last as long as you need them to last. Any more information on these, jump online, look at the kits, everything's on One Stop. Cheers guys.